How to see other viewers on Facebook story. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device over here and make sure you are logged into your account. Now simply tap on your story option at the top of the screen. Swipe up this story. What you can see is you can see the number of viewers. So as you scroll down, you can see the option of others. So when you tap on others, you get to see there's no option to see who the other people are. So what we can simply do is you can simply go back and tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. Select on the gear icon that will lead you to settings and privacy. Now scroll down and tap on the option of stories under audience and visibility. So as you tap on stories, here you can see the option of who can see your stories. Tap on it and select on custom. And as you do that, you'll be able to see there will be different options or different people who have been included in others. So that's how you can see other people who have viewed your story on Facebook. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.